Class 9 children, today we will revise indices. Exercise 60, solve. Solve means, as you all know, to find the value of unknown variables in the question. As you can see in this question, the unknown variable is at the power in the form of x. That means we have to find the value of x. So here also you can see that we have to find the value of x. So let us begin. Number 1 question, 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to 4 to the power x minus 3. So in this chapter, let me tell you all once again that we need to target to make the base both the side, LHS side, that is left hand side and right hand side, equal. That means if here we have base 2, try to make this side also base 2, and yes, 4 can become 2 square and we can have a base 2. Base means if there is power, then the number at the down, that is this particular portion, is called base. So here is 2, let us make this also 2. Now 2 power x plus 1 is same, and here instead of writing 4, I wrote 2 square, because 2 square also is 4. And why I made 2 square? Because I want to make base both the sides equal. Like here is 2, here also 2. So that is my target. And now this 2 is just now new power and x minus 3 is the old power. So now it is said, according to the indices law, it is said if both the sides base are same, then power will be equal. So that's why now no need to write base, only write power of both the sides. And now both the powers I wrote, and base have vanished. When they are equal, it vanishes. Now 2 into x is 2x, 2 3 is minus 6, and here x one side, number one side. So x is here and this x comes this side, minus 2x, this 1 goes that side, minus 1. It is minus x and it is minus 7. Minus got cancelled, x equal to 7. Same thing here children, base is 2 and 8 also can become base of 2, that is 2 cube. 8 is 2 cube. So I wrote 2 cube, and the same thing I wrote here, and here 3 into x, 3x, 3 3 is 9. Now both the base became equal, so power will be equal. Base will vanish and power will be equal. Next, x will come one side, 5x minus 3x, and this minus 3 goes that side. 2x equal to 6, x equal to 6 by 2, x equal to 3. Now one more question let me discuss. Here we have solve for x. So we have to find the value of x. X is here at this portion. So same question we wrote here children, and then after writing question, as you all know, whenever there is root over, we have to write 1 by 2. If 3 by 5 to the power 1 by 2 we write, by writing 1 by 2 automatically root over will vanish. Had it been 3 here, then it is said it is cube root, then we write 1 by 3. But here there is nothing, there is a square root, so we have to write 1 by 2. And so this is just new power which has come by removing the root over, and 1 minus 2x is the old power, and this one we multiply with 4 and add with 17. That means 27 into 4 we should multiply and then add 17. Our answer is 125 by 27. Now here we have base 3 by 5. So just target, can this become 3 by 5? Yes, 125 is 5 cube, 27 is 3 cube. But here we will have 5 by 3, but here we have 3 by 5. But no problem, 5 by 3 we can interchange and write 3 by 5. But in that case, minus power will become plus power and plus power will become minus power. So here what I have done, I have interchanged here. I wrote 125 by 27 as 27 by 125. So whenever we interchange numerator and denominator, negative power will become positive, positive power will become negative. But here there was no power, that means there was 1. So when there is 1, it will become minus 1. As plus 1 is invisible, no need to write, but minus 1 we should write. So now you can see these all are same here, this all is, everything is same. Here only this 2 has come down as a denominator, and multiplying by 1 is 1 minus 2x, and 2 comes down. So this is same so far, and here 27 I wrote 3 and 125 I wrote 5, and 3 by 5 cube is same, 27 by 125. and 3 1s are minus 3. When base are equal, then power base will vanish and power becomes equal. So this power and this power we wrote here, children. And after that what we did cross multiplication. 2 3s are minus 6 and 1 minus 2x multiplies with 1 because there is 1 here. So 1 minus 2x is same. Now 1 minus 2x, what I did, 1 I brought this side. So minus 2x equal to minus 6 minus 1. So minus 2x equal to minus 7. Therefore x equal to 7 by 2. And if we divide further, it is 3 whole 1 by 2. So few more questions I want to discuss, children. As one more question I have here. Question number 8. Find the value of x. So here x is here at the power. So here p and q also is unknown variable, but the demand is to find the value of x. So in this case, as you know, to remove root over we need 1 by 2 power. Just now I had discussed. So same thing, root over vanished, but 1 by 2 came as power. And here we have p by q. Here also we made p by q. So interchange denominator numerator. P went up, q came down. So in that case what will happen? Negative power will become positive, positive power will become negative. As minus 2x is negative, so it became positive here. And plus 1 is positive, so it became negative here. Now base is same, then power also becomes equal. So same power came here, and now cross multiply. 2 2s are 4x, 2 1s are minus 2, 1 1s are 1. 4x equal to 1 plus 2. This minus 2 came here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. X equal to 3 by 4. One more last question I want to discuss here, children. Here we have base 2 and power is x minus 7. So we have to find the value of x. So 256 is 2 power 8. Here I have done factorization. 2 power 8 is 256. So 2 power 8 means now 2 to base is same. Now we can say x minus 7 equal to 8. So x equal to 8 plus 7, that is x equal to 15. So children, as you all saw, in every question our target is to make the base equal, and then power also becomes equal, and that way ultimately we get the value of x. So children, practice these kind of questions for second online test and do the homework given by me. Thank you.